with you.
I feel your gravitational pull. I'm a customer. I wouldn't touch that. That'll come off on your hands. Please. That's rat fur.
Well, that was odd. I'm gonna be late for class.
You never get to eat. Yeah, I don't get out of here until right before curfew.
Then we'll just have to meet after curfew.
Curfew is curfew.
Curfew be darned.
Why, you wild Mustang. No electric fence can corral you.
Or should I say,
That's attitude.
oh, I can be bad. Real bad.
Bailey, come eat. Finally, time alone.
Can you shake your forehead from my front too?
Baby, are you okay?
And now,
We were out here after curfew.
no.
Kiss me, Cody.
Okay. Freeze! I keep those lips where I can see them. We'll be right back on Follow Our Base on Disney Channel with the Sweet Life on Deck. Saturday's my Starlight Deck. It's family fun day, genius. But there's no morning on Saturday morning. Disney Channel Saturday mornings are made for you. In Oscar's bed because, I don't want my own sheets to smell. I don't know how to answer that. I'm feeling such a crack extra pride and more terror. Saturday mornings. Starting at 9 Central on Disney Channel.